For decades, there's been one question that can turn film fans into bitter rivals. What is the single greatest movie musical of all time? Is it a modern spectacle that completely redefined the genre? Or is it a timeless classic that set the gold standard for generations to come? Today, we're settling the score and ranking the ultimate movie musicals, from the really, really good to the undisputed champion. See where modern hits like The Greatest Showman and classics that literally built Hollywood land on the list. So stick around to find out which film we crown the greatest of all time. This is the ultimate movie musical ranking, and it's bound to start a few arguments. Coming in at number 10 is a Disney Renaissance masterpiece, Beauty and the Beast. Released in 1991, this film didn't just perfect the animated musical, it made history. It was the first animated film ever to be nominated for the Academy Award for Best Picture, a landmark achievement that proved animation could compete at the highest level. With an unforgettable score from Alan Menken and Howard Ashman, it won 2 Oscars, including one for its iconic title song. It's a tale as old as time that set a new standard for storytelling and artistry in animation, forever changing what the world thought a cartoon could be. At number 9, we have the lavish and triumphant classic 1964's My Fair Lady. Adapted from the legendary Broadway musical, this film was a massive critical and commercial success. It was nominated for 12 Academy Awards and won 8, including Best Picture, Best Director, and Best Actor for Rex Harrison. The film famously cast Audrey Hepburn over the stage show star Julie Andrews, creating one of Hollywood's most debated casting decisions, especially since Andrew won Best Actress that same year for Mary Poppins. With its breathtaking costume design and a score featuring beloved songs like I Could Have Danced All Night, the film became the second highest grossing film of 1964 and a dazzling example of Golden Age Hollywood elegance. Sliding into our number 8 spot is the film that taught us to rewrite the stars, 2017's The Greatest Showman. This movie is pure spectacle in the best possible way. Hugh Jackman delivers a performance crackling with Broadway swagger, and the soundtrack from Pasek and Paul is packed with anthems you can't help but belt out loud, like This Is Me. Now here's where the fights really start, because this film famously splits critics and audiences right down the middle. While critics gave it lukewarm scores on sites like Rotten Tomatoes and Metacritic, audiences gave it a resounding A cinema score. They completely embraced its flashy, feel-good message of acceptance. It's a dazzling explosion of color, choreography, and emotion that proves sometimes the critics just don't get the final say. Our number 7 is a film routinely called one of the greatest Hollywood musicals ever made, 1952's Singin' in the Rain. It's not just a musical, it's a film about movies. A hilarious and brilliant satire of Hollywood's chaotic transition from silent films to talkies. Gene Kelly, Donald O'Connor, and a 19-year-old Debbie Reynolds give performances that are nothing short of dazzling. The choreography is inventive, the jokes are genuinely laugh-out-loud funny, and the musical numbers are legendary. From the slapstick brilliance of Make 'em Laugh to the pure, unadulterated joy of Gene Kelly's title number, every single frame is alive with creativity. But here's the kicker. The film was only a modest hit upon release and received just 2 Oscar nominations, winning none. Its reputation has only grown over time, and today it's considered by many to be the peak of the genre, even topping the American Film Institute's own list of greatest movie musicals. It's preserved in the National Film Registry and stands as escapism raised to the level of high art. A film so light on its feet, it makes genius look easy. At number 6 is the groundbreaking 1961 masterpiece West Side Story. An adaptation of the landmark Broadway show, this film version of Romeo and Juliet transposed the story to the streets of New York, blending gritty social commentary with breathtaking artistry. It became the highest-grossing film of 1961 and a critical sensation. The film was nominated for 11 Academy Awards and won an astounding 10, including Best Picture, making it the musical with the most Oscar wins in history. With Jerome Robbins' explosive choreography and Leonard Bernstein and Stephen Sondheim's iconic score, It tackled themes of racial tension and the American dream in a way that was groundbreaking for its time. A true masterpiece, it was selected for preservation in the National Film Registry for being culturally, historically, or aesthetically significant. Kicking off our top 5 is A World of Pure Imagination. 1971's Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Now look, I get it, this might not make the list for a lot of folks, but for me it does. An adaptation of Roald Dahl's classic book, this film stars Gene Wilder in a legendary performance as the eccentric and mysterious candy maker. Though it received positive reviews, the movie wasn't a huge box office hit at first, earning just $4 million on a $3 million budget. However, it developed a massive cult following over the years through TV airings and home video. The film's incredible score, featuring songs like Pure Imagination and The Candyman, earned an Academy Award nomination. It's a wonderfully weird, sometimes dark, and endlessly inventive film that has captivated generations, cementing its legacy in 2014 when it was selected for preservation in the National Film Registry. Now, for a titan of the genre, at number 4, we have 1978's Grease. It's the film that convinced the generation that a leather jacket and slicked back hair were the peak of cool. Based on the stage musical, but with a rebellious life all its own, Grease was an absolute box office juggernaut, becoming the highest grossing film of 1978. Made for just $6 million, it went on to gross nearly $400 million worldwide, making it the highest grossing live action musical for decades. The soundtrack is one of the best selling of all time, and songs like You're the One That I Want and Summer Nights are permanently burned into our cultural DNA. While critics were a little mixed at first, audiences couldn't get enough, cementing its status as a global phenomenon. It's pure, unapologetic fun, and its legacy is undeniable. Now, before we unveil our top 3, we have to give a shout out to some incredible honorable mentions that could have easily made this list. First, the ultimate feel-good jukebox musical, Mamma Mia. Next, we have to acknowledge the powerhouse vocal performance and dramatic flair of Dreamgirls. And of course, one of my favorites, we must include the 1970 classic Scrooge for Albert Finney's Golden Globe winning performance and a festive Oscar-nominated score that brings the Dickinson tale to life. All right, now we're down to the moment y'all been waiting for, the top 3. These are the undisputed giants of the genre, in my humble opinion. Coming in at number 3 is the film that is practically perfect in every way, 1964's Mary Poppins. This movie was Walt Disney's crowning achievement and a landmark of technical wizardry, seamlessly blending live action with animation in a way that left audiences breathless. In her feature film debut, Julie Andrews delivered a radiant, timeless performance that not only captured the hearts of millions, but also won her the Academy Award for Best Actress. The film received a staggering 13 Oscar nominations, a record for any Disney film, and walked away with 5, including awards for its beloved Sherman Brothers soundtrack. With unforgettable songs like A Spoonful of Sugar and Chim Chim Cheree, it became the highest grossing film of 1964 and has enchanted families for generations. It's a work of pure, unadulterated imagination and the perfect marriage of story, song, and dance. Our runner-up at number 2 is one of the most beloved films of all time, The Sound of Music. When it was released in 1965, this Rodgers and Hammerstein classic reigned as the highest-grossing film in history for 5 years. It's a movie that has warmed the hearts of generations. With its breathtaking photography and a soundtrack of timeless songs like My Favorite Things and Do Re Mi, the film is an enduring masterpiece. It was nominated for 10 Academy Awards and won 5. Including the coveted Best Picture and Best Director. Julie Andrews gives a radiant performance that completely captured the world's adoration. For its sheer, unadulterated joy and its monumental place in cinematic history, The Sound of Music is absolutely essential. And now for the number 1 movie musical of all time, in my humble opinion, the undisputed champion, the one film that is more than just a classic, but a landmark of cinematic history, is 1939's The Wizard of Oz. This movie is more than just a classic. It's a landmark of cinematic history. While not the first color film, it features one of the most famous and iconic uses of the 3-strip Technicolor process. That transition from sepia-toned Kansas to the brilliant, saturated world of Oz is one of the greatest moments in all of film, perfectly symbolizing Dorothy's journey from the mundane to the magical. Judy Garland's remarkable performance, the unforgettable songs, and the brilliant sets have made it an eternal classic that was one of the very first 25 films selected for preservation in the National Film Registry. So for its sheer cultural impact and its timeless, magical journey over the rainbow, it is our undisputed champion. And there you have it, folks, our definitive ranking of the greatest movie musicals ever made. Now look, I know you guys got opinions, and we absolutely want to hear them. What did we get right? What did we get wrong? Let us know in the comments below. Drop your top 3 movie musicals in the comments. I want to hear what your favorites are, and let's let the debates begin. Thanks for joining us, folks. Take care of yourselves and each other, and we'll talk to you soon.